You've got a busy weekend coming up, demand is high, and you want to charge more for those specific dates. But you really don't want to rebuild entire seasonal setup just for that. In the new admin calendar in Hotel Booking, you don't have to. You can set a custom price for any date right in the grid. Let me show you how. I'm Valerie from WordPress. Let's get into it. So here we are in the new calendar. The main working area is your availability grid, and this is where your entire inventory is laid out across a timeline. And under a list of all accommodations of each accommodation type, you'll notice a rates row. You can have only one rate or more. It really depends on what you're offering to your guests. If you don't have different booking conditions, one rate is all you need, but if you want to give guests a choice, say refundable versus non-refundable or breakfast included versus no breakfast, then you'd create a separate rate for each option, and guests will see these choices during the booking process, at checkout, and pick what suits them. When you click a rate title, you'll see all the seasons included in that rate, along with their priorities. The one at the top has the highest priority. About the seasons, we now see a new daily row. That's where per day pricing lives. To set a custom price, just click any cell in that row, or if you want to cover a range of dates, click and drag across as many cells as you need. Once you've selected them, release the mouse and just type in your custom value and apply it. That price shows up in two places, in the daily row itself and in the row above it as the final price for the date. So you always have a clear vision of what's actually being charged for any given date. So in hotel booking, you've got seasonal rates as your base pricing layer, but daily prices sit above that. They have the highest priority, so whatever seasonal rate is set for those dates, the custom daily price overrides it. Think of it as the final word on pricing for that date. And on the grid, these manual entries look different from standard rates, so you can spot them easily. So to recap, select the cells on the dates you want, enter a custom value, and it overrides your seasonal pricing automatically. No need to touch your rate setup, no back and forth between menus. If you want to see how seasons and rates work underneath all of this, I've got a separate video on that. Check the link in the description. And if you want the full walkthrough of everything the new calendar can do, that's on the channel too. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Leave any questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.